buy something in a vending machine. It is night 3 a.m. I'm buying some snacks. That's ready. And this is the azgo app. And already I installed the app in my mobile. Okay. Then we'll start and we'll buy something. Open the app and what I want, like peanut masala. I'm select it out and check out. Like the options are available. Paytm, pay with Jetta, Sodexo, UPI, other wallets. I am paying now in my Paytm. Okay. Then the codes are coming and I am pressing all the codes like 4 2 2 5 1 hearts and fetching the order details. Now I am open. Yes, I think this one. Why? And if I'm something like I'm select this one and I pick this one, it's automatically deducted in my account. So log the door. It is censored lock and it is did not open. Okay, I got my snacks and pay now. Bye. Good night. Like.